When I started at 3Shape, I think what surprised me the most was the emphasis that is placed on personal development and feedback. And other than that, I was also quite surprised by the amount of responsibility that I received from day one. And looking back, I think that really encouraged me to step out of my comfort zone and develop personally and professionally. When I was an intern, I was working on a project called Customer to Win, and therefore a work week would revolve around this project and perhaps involve a trip to Poland to visit our colleagues there who are also working on the project. It could involve facilitating a steering committee meeting with senior stakeholders or other supportive work for functions throughout the organization. I would say that the hands-on experience, the responsibility and the exposure that you receive as an intern at 3Shape is invaluable. But you also have to possess the willingness to step out of your comfort zone and grab the opportunities that come your way. If I were to give one piece of advice to a potential future intern, it would be apply. What are you waiting for? You want this opportunity. Apply.